Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be recreating this makeup look that I saw on Vanessa Hudgens. I saw this look and I was like, yes, this is the look I want to recreate. And I already had kind of wanted to do a look like this with the Dark Magic palette. And when I saw this look on her feed that she posted, I was like, yes, I am so recreating this. So this is the look right here. I don't know if you guys can see it really good. This is the other one. I zoomed it in. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is so gorgeous and beautiful. Like, look at it. So this is the look I'm gonna be recreating. It's the same look in all the pictures. I just zoomed in this one and this one. So I'm gonna start with the Vite Cosmetics Modern Neutrals palette. I have not used this baby in so long, and I used to be obsessed with this. I still am. I don't know why I haven't used it, but yes, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here as a transition shade. Clearly, I always use that as my transition shade. So I'm just gonna apply this in the crease, going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And like I said, this is gonna be our transition shade. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade Shh in the Dark Magic Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm gonna keep this eyeshadow in the crease. I'm not gonna blow this out so much like we did with the transition shade. I just wanna keep this very precise in the crease. Picture Vanessa doesn't have a lot of darkness in the inner corner, so I'm kind of just gonna place this in the outer corner and then just blend it towards right here, a little bit more than halfway from the crease, but not all the way in the inner corner. Next, I'm gonna go back into the Modern Neutrals palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna deepen out the outer corner with this one. And take a little bit more of that first eyeshadow and just blend everything that we have going on right now. Bring the second brush too and just blend everything out. To deepen out the outer corner, I'm going to take Mojo. So I'm going to take Power Cut from the Dark Magic palette, and with a flat shader brush, I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. What is that? You are not giving me life right now. Power Cut. Thought this was going to be like so much more pigmented. I'm gonna try applying it with my finger. Okay, so when you apply it with your finger, it definitely picks up the pigment. Okay, so this eyeshadow is definitely better when applied with your finger rather than with the brush, because with the brush I was like, what is this? But even with the finger you have to kind of like pack on the color really good. I'm gonna take like a darker brown, cool tone brown, like this one right here, same brush, and just kind of go over this right here. I'm gonna go and blend. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take this eyeshadow. I'm gonna place it really close to my waterline. I'm gonna use the very first shade that we went in with to buff it out and just blend it out. I'm gonna take the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit palette and highlight with it. I'm gonna take Glow Getter. And take that shade and apply it in the inner corner. I'm gonna use this blush right here because she doesn't have a pinkish, she has like a neutral blush. So for lip, Vanessa's wearing a nude glossy lip, so I'm gonna start by using this Stay Matte liquid lip color from Rimmel. I'm just gonna go with a dose of colors over the top lip gloss so you can have glossy lips. Alright, and that is it for this mini tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!